So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to add cross out in Adobe Acrobat. Quite simple, all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Also, a little disclaimer, for some reason you might not be able to see the toolbar. Although I don't think this would make any issue because I hope that you know where the toolbar is. So all you have to do is follow along and you'll be able to do it. So let's go. First step is go to the toolbar, and usually it's at the fifth place and tap into that icon. So a drop down menu will appear, and that includes of type text, cross mark, check mark, dot, circle around, and cross out. At the very bottom you can see the option of cross out. Tap into that option. All you have to do is tap here, and the thing about this is that this cross out is that you can move it anywhere, even expand it like this and stuff like that. So you can use this in order to highlight or even underline the sentence. So once you make this, you can simply tap in here and it will just do like this. Also, another thing is that you can also change the color of this cross out by going to the toolbar again. There's a circle icon, tap into that and you'll be provided with variety of colors. Let's say I want to change it into more like purple, and now I can do it like this. Okay, you can also shorten it like this. It's not working. Why it's not working? Okay, there you go. So this is basically how you add cross out in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you for watching.